Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to talk about Block Inc. It is one of the stocks I am analyzing, and it's a similar wave count to PayPal, but it differs. Obviously, I've been covering PayPal for a while on this channel. It differs in what happened here and what is happening here, so we want to talk about that. First of all, let's start on the daily chart. This is the all-time, the lifetime chart of the block stock. SQ is the symbol. Now we have a 5-wave move up into the 2021 highs. Okay, so this is a decent 5-wave move up. The third wave was long enough. The fourth wave wasn't too deep. The fifth wave was also nice and long. So we have a nice 5-wave move. What I don't like so much about this chart is the short A wave here, the short B wave, but it's okay. You know, PayPal has something similar. Now, at the moment, we are obviously in a downtrend. You can see that, yeah, off this 2021 high, a downtrend has started. I'm counting that as an ABC structure into the October 22 lows here. Now, technically, you could say, okay, we have a 3-wave move down after a 5-wave move up. So technically, the overall wave 2 correction could be over, yeah. However, there are a few things where I think this is not the case. And this is why I'm adding to the chart this extended ABC correction. You can see that. So the first ABC I see as a larger A wave with a B wave either still in the making or already done, and then another C wave down. Why is that my primary scenario, the white wave count? Because, first of all, the first ABC structure, which ended in October 22, did not reach the 50% retracement level. It's not a disaster, but it just means that something's off here. And it means that, well, I can't really consider the wave 2 complete without evidence, because typically I would like to see a wave 2 pull back to at least the 50% retracement. That's at $48. Well, maybe it's still doing that, you know, maybe it's still doing that. And if we hit the $48 level and it takes off, then the A wave is done. Or no, the wave 2 is done, possibly, okay? But at the moment, I just can't count it as complete, and therefore, for me, the most likely path is another journey down in the C wave. The other reason is that anything that happened off these lows was not impulsive. There was nothing bullish there. There's no 5-wave move to the upside. So it rather looks a bit like a triangle, to be honest. Leaves us with a couple of options. First of all, I could say, so the base case is the wave 2 isn't finished. That's the base case. Without further evidence, I will not consider it as complete. At the moment, my assumption is that either the B wave finished already. It would be a very, very shallow B wave though, which is why in the alternative we have a higher B wave that could still be unfolding. But in the primary, we'll just have it now as finished because of the strong move down that happened of the July highs. And against this wave B high at $89 basically, I'm going to be focused on lower. Now, against this level, the C wave could be unfolding right now. We have a 1-2 setup, and the third wave might be unfolding right now. And if we talk about the next support levels, we've got $48, $31.70, and then even $17.50, even though it absolutely doesn't need to come down that low. Yeah, but I have no indication that it's bullish already. Now, in an alternative interpretation, the B wave might still be unfolding. And we're just dealing here with, you know, the A wave finished and then maybe the A wave of the yellow B wave here. Then this B wave could also just be unfolding as a triangle, something like that. And then we could get a C wave higher. This is, however, in my opinion, only really confirmed as soon as we see a break above $82.60 first and then $89. And then it could reach, yeah, higher prices, maybe around 100. Let's just double check that. It would be quite considerable, to be honest, in a higher B wave, but it would not be bullish. Short term, yes. Here, I mean, it could reach B wave retracement. I mean, it could reach all the way up to 196 maybe, yeah, of the recent low. So that's quite significant, but it would not, still, it would not necessarily lead us to new all-time highs. But that means we need to pay attention to what's happening here now. If the price now follows through and breaks below the most recent swing lows at $51, I think the move down is confirmed, following through in the white count. if it turns around, I can do a lot in this range, that won't change anything. But if price breaks above the $82 level, the wave 2 high in the white wave count, it would already be an indication that something more bullish is going on. Then I would make the yellow wave count the primary. And in an alternative then, it would be much more bullish. So basically in an alternative, we would then be in a third wave. But at the moment, I just don't see it. At the moment, I would rather focus on it to be a B wave. That means we are in a potential bottoming process here, potentially, but it's not confirmed at this stage. I would need to see evidence through a break above the $82 level. I mean, at the moment, we're in a range, yeah? In a range. So from a technical point of view, you could just trade the range. We are now in support of a range, and it's likely to see some kind of a bounce from the current lows anyway. But eventually, primarily, I'm still focused on lower. It would take a break above $82 to at least consider something more short-term bullish. Yeah, that's my update about Block. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.